Today's a big, huge rainy day.
Yeah.
So until yesterday was great weather, but there's a huge rain. So we decided to come to this Publix because this Publix has a roof, you know. So
Right
I
here.
need to get some stuff for today's video.
Okay.
So let's go.
Heavy cream, that's it. Okay. Hiro-san, sushi. What do you like? Salmon? All the seafood here. All right, we got a really exciting video today. Special ingredients, Hiro-san. What are we making today?
Today I'm going to make a ribeye steak with kind of creamy uni sauce.
Okay. Let's go through some of the ingredients, Hiro.
Yes, of course, today's main ingredients here: ribeye steak
Okay.
and uni.
All right.
And this one for the sauce, I'm gonna use the onions, heavy cream, garlic, and this one butter for the when I cook the ribeye steak. Anyway,
Okay.
and soy sauce and salt and pepper.
Okay. So fairly simple ingredients, huh?
Yeah, very simple
Okay.
ingredients today.
And you have a special
Yes,
sake here.
yes. And I'm gonna use this sake for sauce.
Okay, you guys, thanks so much for Tipsy Sake for sponsoring today's video. More on that later on. Okay, Hiro-san, what's the first step?
Yes, first step I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick some uni
Okay.
and keep into the bowl. Then I'm gonna do smashing. Next one is salt and pepper on the beef.
Olive oil.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to start to make sauce. A little bit of olive oil, garlic, and the onion.
Hiro-san,
Hey.
let's see what's inside this box.
Yes.
This is basically a sake subscription service. With your subscription, you'll get 6 10-ounce bottles. They have over 400 bottles to choose from that they'll send you. You'll learn how to enjoy sake from the experts. Oh, beautiful. Look, they tell you where the sake is from.
Yes.
Asahi, Kizakura.
Suige.
Suige.
Oh, Suige. My hometown.
Really?
Yes.
No kidding.
Kochi, from Kochi.
No way,
Suige,
Hiro.
yes, this is my hometown.
Hiro.
Suige, of course.
We need to cook with that one, I think. Hiro's gone through all the sake, and he's decided to cook with this one, right, Hiro?
Yes, I use this one.
And you want to drink this one.
Yes.
All right. Sounds great. We'll save this for later.
Yeah, I'm going to drink after finish
You can drink all
video. Film it.
Do a little taste test.
Yes.
And just take a look at this. Again, they send stuff every single month. Talk about the changing of the seasons of the sake. So much to learn about sake. Give them a try. Tipsy Sake, and use the code Hiroyuki to get 10% off. You get free shipping and educational materials. So much to learn about sake and so many membership benefits as well. Thank you so much to Tipsy Sake for sponsoring today's video. All right, Hiro-san, you ready to cook with this?
Sure, let's go. I'm gonna add a little bit of sake. And heavy cream. salt and pepper. I'm gonna add the uni and a little bit of soy sauce. And then quick little bit I'm gonna taste.
How's it?
Very nice, very nice.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
It looks delectable.
A little bit of the salt and soy sauce. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go back to kitchen. Okay, so let's cut the beef. Hopefully, beef is in good condition. Let me see. Oh yes, this is exactly your style.
You always cook the
Look at
perfect
this.
steak. Wow, perfectly
You see,
rare.
like
Hero on steak. You thought he was a fabulous sushi chef. He's also the best grill man, huh? With steak.
yeah, I like a steak.
You're like a pro. Wow.
I'm gonna show you the piece, how it looks like. Look, nice,
Put
nice
it
and
right in the
warm.
camera. Put it right in front of the camera. Yeah, look at that.
Maybe in the camera, maybe you can see too much rare, but it's not really super rare.
It's like
rare.
medium rare to
Yeah.
rare. Yeah.
Exactly what cameraman likes. This condition. I want to put some greens. Today's kaiware in the middle. Hi.
Wow.
Levi
look at
steak
that.
with the uni sauce.
That is incredible,
Yes.
Hero. Take a look at this final product. Looks amazing. Hero made it with just a few ingredients and didn't take long at all. Thank you so much to Tipsy Sake for sponsoring today's video again. Start your sake subscription today. Information down below in the description box. Get 10% off. Amazing sake from all over Japan. Hiro-san, thank you so
Hi.
much.
Thank you very much.
Guys, like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And can't wait to try it. It looks so good, Hiro. Thank you. Hiro-san, now to the tasting part.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. And today's
Okay.
a very special tasting.
Okay. Enjoy.
Yes, with this one. Dancing.
Denson, okay. Every great steak deserves a greater sake.
Yes.
Okay, enjoy here.
Okay, first I wanna take sake.
Kanpai.
Kanpai. Sweet,
Sweet, really? Okay.
very smooth. That's why cold sake you can drink a lot.
Yeah,
But after,
you don't feel it.
yeah, so you have to take it easy.
Okay.
Okay, now
Now to the other tasting.
tasting.
You always cook a perfect steak. Look at that. Unbelievable, right?
Like that.
How's it with the uni sauce?
I think this is a perfect combination.
Yeah.
The uni, remember last time we made uni pasta? It's a kind of very similar taste,
Okay.
but look at this mix with kind of juicy from this ribeye steak.
Oh yeah. Creamy upon just Rare steak just melts in your mouth.
I think you will like it, this one.
Yeah.
And of course, if you drink this sake, the taste will make
Even better.
millions of times better.
Sounds good. Take a look at this. Perfectly done steak.
It's a little bit different for you. You know.
So smooth, the sauce. You can't even really tell it's so much as it's uni, but it's super creamy. Steak is done perfectly, in my opinion. Look at that. For me, I like it rare.
Exactly your favorite,
goodness,
right?
This is so good, Hiro. Where's my rice, Hiro? I need some rice.
No, I know. I just need this one put in over the rice.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Cheers
thank you
again.
very much.
And thank you to Tipsy Sake. Hiro-san, we'll see you soon.
See you next time.